Hey Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So this is part 3 then of a video series that I've been doing here on the channel for the past couple of months now, where I'm showing you what profit I've made from a value betting service called Tilt the Odds. And I basically want to make £6,600 profit in order to cover my holiday to Singapore, which is coming up actually in a few weeks' time. So there's really not much time left to make this happen. Now, to be clear, the holiday is actually already paid for with my own money, but I thought, why not try and get a challenge going where I'm actually getting the bookies to pay for it from the profit I've made value betting on their websites. So I've actually placed now in the past couple of months 1,240 bets. Definitely not doing this full time, just as and when I can get time on the laptop when I've noticed there's a busier day of horse racing. I staked around £11,000, which on average is given a just shy of £9 stake per bet. Before I share the profit result with you, which should be between 10 to 20% of that £11,000, what I'm going to do is share with you a member on Tilt the Odds that's had actually above average results to show you that that can happen. Then I'll share with you a member who's had like average results, and then we'll look at my results. Oh, and at the end of the video, I'll also share with you 2 other value betting sites that have given very, very good results for members for over a year. I think it's coming up for 2 years now since I started talking about them here on the channel. But I just wanted to bring them up in case there was anyone new to the channel that might not have seen older videos. As usual, though, before we jump on the laptop, just like to quickly mention the Profit Boss Match Betting and Value Betting Facebook group. There'll be a link down in the description if you're not yet a member. There's nearly 7,500 kind and courteous, respectful members on there now, so it'll be great to have you on there. But having said that, getting on the laptop then, here is the first member's results, and this is a genuine member. They're on the Tilt the Odds Discord. This is their result they've shared here. It's not some made-up stats or anything to make the site look great. I hope that wouldn't happen, but obviously that can happen when we're talking about money with various websites that will do that. They'll kind of promise and then not deliver on the returns you can get. But this is a genuine user's result. So they've placed 3,064 bets now, staked more than me actually, 11.9 thousand, nearly £12,000, and they've actually had an ROI of £11,900. So I know this member actually started off with a large win when they were around the 1,200 bets placed mark, I think it was. And that's obviously then carried them through and carried them to give them that great ROI continuously throughout this. Over time, we could see that lower down and it would get to more of a realistic return on investment of between that 10 and 20%. But that's just what they've got at the moment. That can happen. So I just wanted to share it with you and show you that, these results can happen when you're doing these kind of value bets. Now, another member here has had what I would class, and I believe, everyone that's been using Tilt the Odds would class as an average return for the kind of bets that you get. So you're talking your doubles, trixies, patents, and lucky 15 type multiple bets. And you can actually see they place singles as well, 318 singles. You can see their stake amounts for each kind of multiple bets they were doing. And the majority of their money and bet size there on the lucky 15s. A majority of the wins as well, £41,500 won from lucky 15s. And then you can even go and see the ROI individually. They've really broken this down very, very nicely. Individual ROIs for each. So just a 6% ROI on singles from Tilt the Odds, which is why I kind of didn't bother doing them. I thought that was something to do to begin with. But singles I wouldn't even bother with. Doubles I highly recommend because, this user's had 95% ROI on doubles. So I've seen equally as good a results with doubles previously. And then you can see from the Trixies, Patents, and Lucky 15s, between that 17% on the low side to 30% on the high side there. Average ROI, and bear in mind, if they hadn't placed any singles, this ROI would be higher, but the average ROI there of 19%. So about what you would expect there. And, with 5,000 bets placed, I think that's a very good sample to be able to see that kind of average return. That means they have an overall profit of £9,400 nearly. And if you're wondering how long that person took to make that over £9,000, that was around 3.5 months that they've been betting on Tilt the Odds to get that kind of return. So really, really good if you ask me. Now, really quickly, before I share with you my profit result, which is definitely nowhere near the £6,600 I need for the holiday, just like to, as I say, mention these two other value betting services, which I think are also great to run alongside Tilt the Odds. I'm not saying that any one of them is better than the other. They all have their own uses, and you could actually, because none of them, overlap each other. So, for example, this first one here, Rebel Betting, does not have any horse racing bets available, but you can join as a pro member and you can actually have all the other sports, whereas Tilt the Odds only has horse racing. There'll be a link down in the description for a 14-day free trial to Rebel Betting if you want to check that out. And the other value betting service, which again doesn't overlap with Tilt the Odds or Rebel Betting, is this one here. So Each Way Sniper Auto. And this is again, there'll be a link to this in the description to bring you to this landing page. You can watch the video from Mike Cruikshank, the developer of this awesome software, explaining more details about it. But the way this doesn't overlap is this is actually finding value bets on the each way markets for horse racing. So whereas Tilt the Odds, you're getting the multiple bets on the win market, Each Way Sniper's giving you the value bets for the place market. And with the auto software, it's obviously placing the bets for you. You just enter your bookmaker details, the software logs into the bookmakers, and then it places the bets for you. It's really that straightforward. But now it's time to share with you what you've clicked on this video to see. And I really, really wish I could have better results for you. But I wanted to show you the above average results, and now my results, because I didn't want people thinking that this is what you would expect from Tilt the Odds. This is like really poor results. It's just me that's happened to have them. So as I said there, 1,240 bets placed, 11,000 staked, and my profit is just £517.22, which is quite low for how many bets I've placed. But 1,240 bets, when you're talking these kind of multiple bets, is not a large enough sample size. We're going to see that profit increase, I think, when we get to the 2,000, 3,000 plus amount of bets placed. Please do comment below with your results using Tilt the Odds. I know there's been a fair few people that have been signing up and getting involved with it. Do tap the like button below if you enjoyed this video. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.